Good in air, unfiltered breath. I wake without a borrowed chain. Light unfolding, step by step. My rhythm it's everywhere. Every move a natural state. Nothing forced, nothing confined. Expand at my own pace. Clarity is my way to prove, and I don't sway the truth. Everything I'm meant to be is rising from the ground in an unscripted climate, self-led and undefined. Sun in every molecule, clear horizon mind, limitless by design. The thundering, my left turn, diamond fall coming my way, balance bright and saint. Gravity feels gentle here, future flowing here. Every step is oxygen, every breath sincere.